So it means that negative energy is everywhere. It comes through the television, it comes through the music, it comes through the windows. Even Grand Shaykh said at Maghrib time, close your windows, close the shades on your windows. Because the shaitan said, if you think you have a protection within your house, you put Ayatul Kursi, you have Qur'an and salawat playing in the house, you've made and fortified your house like a fortress. So the shaitans won't be coming as they come active at Maghrib time. So even the kids were watching these cartoons. What was the name of the cartoon where the gargoyle came off of the building? At 5 o'clock the gargoyles were coming alive. So you see, look, that's what Baba teaching. That at Maghrib time these shayateen become active. And when they're coming active means they're going into the house of believers. When you leave the window open, as if an opening for them, that inviting them. By closing, it's a hijab, that they don't have permission to break that hijab. And they teach you in the movies all of the satanic rules. So what are the most popular movies now? Vampires and young girls. As soon as the vampire wants to come into the house, they're teaching you even their adab. That the vampire wants to come into the house and the girl says, "Oh, come on in." He says, "No, you have to invite me." He's teaching what Prophet wrote 1500 years ago. That we are under the power of A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. So it means that shaitan knows that, no, you're protected. You have to break your a'udhu and invite me into your home. And they're teaching in the movie. So when you see that vampire, you have to invite him in. And the greatness of Prophet and what he brought to us, no, a'udhu billah, live your life in a'udhu. That seeking refuge from anything satanic so that you will be under the rahmah of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So even the windows could be closed at night so that evilness doesn't come in. And if even you have all your protection, as soon as you open your windows from a distance, they have no permission to come in, but their nazar from a distance can strike through the windows. So they're like shooting arrows. They don't have permission to come in, but from a distance they can look through the window and begin to shoot all sorts of difficulty. You feel that difficulty and then you feel the arguments beginning into the home, that every type of fitna